Welcome back to my channel. Today 2025 Bentley Flying Spur redefines modern luxury sedans with a masterful blend of performance, prestige, and craftsmanship. As Bentley continues its march toward an electrified future, the latest Flying Spur balances traditional British opulence with cutting-edge technology and refined power. In a segment crowded with luxury contenders, the 2025 model stands tall not just because of its iconic heritage but because it continues to evolve meaningfully in design, comfort, and innovation. Under the hood, the Flying Spur offers a range of powertrains tailored to varying tastes in performance and sustainability. The plug-in hybrid variant combines a twin-turbocharged 2.9-liter V6 engine with an electric motor to produce a combined output north of 530 horsepower. This allows for swift, near-silent electric-only city drives with a more aggressive gas-powered surge when needed. For purists, the V8 engine is still available, providing that unmistakable deep exhaust growl and swift acceleration that Bentley fans have cherished for decades. Regardless of the configuration, the Flying Spur glides rather than drives. Its ride quality is world-class, thanks in large part to Bentley's adaptive air suspension and a seamless all-wheel drive system. The design language of the 2025 Flying Spur reflects an evolution rather than a revolution, staying true to Bentley's aesthetic while subtly modernizing its lines. From the signature matrix grille and dual headlights to the sculpted sides and wide stance, the Flying Spur has road presence in abundance. The refreshed styling includes updated LED lighting elements, new wheel designs, and a slightly reworked rear that gives the car a more athletic profile. The use of lightweight materials and active aerodynamics ensures that performance and efficiency go hand in hand, even in a car of such grandeur. Inside, the cabin is a celebration of handcrafted luxury. Bentley continues to source the finest leathers, woods, and metals to create an environment that feels more like a private jet than an automobile. The 2025 model introduces new interior themes and trim options, including sustainable materials like open-pore wood and eco-conscious textiles for customers who want luxury with a conscience. Every detail, from the knurled aluminum switchgear to the diamond quilted upholstery, is built to perfection. Advanced noise insulation and acoustic glass make the cabin whisper quiet even at highway speeds, while rear passengers are treated to features like massaging seats, fold-down picnic tables, and an optional refrigerator. Technology plays a more prominent role than ever in the new Flying Spur. The digital instrument cluster and infotainment system have been upgraded to be faster and more intuitive, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A new augmented reality head-up display, available on higher trims, projects navigation prompts directly onto the windshield, making driving both easier and safer. The rear seat entertainment system offers independent touchscreens with access to media, climate control, and connectivity functions, ensuring all passengers are equally indulged. One of the standout features in the 2025 Flying Spur is Bentley's dynamic ride system, which uses 48-volt electronic actuators to minimize body roll and improve cornering dynamics. Despite its size and weight, the Flying Spur handles more like a grand tourer than a full-size sedan. This balance of comfort and performance is what makes the Flying Spur such a compelling proposition, not merely a chauffeur-driven executive car, but one that begs to be driven. Safety and driver assistance technologies are abundant. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, night vision, and automatic emergency braking are all standard or available. These features complement the vehicle's robust construction, giving both driver and passengers peace of mind whether navigating city streets or cruising long distances. While the Flying Spur's price tag remains firmly in the ultra-luxury bracket, its value lies in the experience it offers. This is not a car for the masses, it's a statement of taste, success, and timeless elegance. In a world increasingly dominated by screens and automation, the Flying Spur preserves the tactile and the bespoke while integrating the digital where it enhances rather than intrudes. Ultimately, the 2025 Bentley Flying Spur is more than transportation. It is an immersive experience, a journey into refinement, power, and exclusivity. Whether you're behind the wheel or reclining in the back, it's a reminder that true luxury is not about excess, but about attention to detail, craftsmanship, and presence. For those who demand the best and are unwilling to compromise, the Flying Spur delivers, effortlessly and unapologetically.